Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. This is Shiju from ENS Creative Works. Today I'm going to show you how to print this image onto a canvas that's 12 by 16. I have my blank canvas right here. This is 12 by 16 and I'm going to readjust this image so I could UV print onto this blank canvas using my Tucan 4060 UV printer. This is the same process you need to follow to print on any products that you like. This is multi-step process in order to get a clean print onto your product using this UV printer. Starting off, you need to open your image on Photoshop. So I have my image open up here on Photoshop and I'm going to change the size of this image. So go to image size and change to inches, and I have 12 by 16. So make sure your image is updated to your size of the product that you're trying to print on. Next step is to do, I like to use my quick selection tool so that everything gets selected. So I select this and you could change your size over here. So I have my size a little bit more bigger so it could be quicker. And make sure you click on your image and select everything within your image. So you see the white line and make sure that there is nothing hidden. So you have all your image selected, and next you go to select, modify, and contract. You'll get this pop-up. I have tried with less pixels. Um, I get the best result by 4. Let me know if you have better options, but I'm going to try 4 again, and then I'm going to hit OK. And now, since that is done, you go to channels and then you hit the menu button here. You do new spot channel. This is for the white layer. And you scroll down again on your channels layer. And from spot 1, you hit duplicate channel. And here you have to rename spot 1 to spot 2. You cannot put any other names, otherwise the RIP software would not detect it. So you have to put spot 2. This is for the varnish. And you hit OK, and here you go. So now after that's done, you go to File and you save as. Let me go to Dallas. Dallas Fireworks TIFF. You have to save it as TIFF file in order for your print software to open it up. And you hit save. Okay. All right, next thing you do is you open up your RIN software and you import your TIFF file. So I'm gonna go to desktop where I saved it, and then Dallas Fireworks. So when you see a TIFF file, it will be completely dark. So that means you did the contract and you did it correctly as saved as TIFF. If you see any pictures or any image available, that means you did not do the contract portion correctly. So you select your TIFF and just double check your size. If you want to, you could right click and you could click on output size and it'll show you the size in millimeters. You could convert that to inches and make sure it's 12 by 16. So here I have my image up, and next thing you do, you have to hit print on your RIN software and hit print again. And now save this as a PRN file. So I'm gonna say Dallas Fireworks PRN. Let me say print. That's what usually I use. Dallas Fireworks print. So I save that to desktop. And now you open up your print exp file, go to file, and every time you save something, it'll pop up. I hit Dallas Fireworks print, and now from the print exp file, you can do your spots and make sure everything's enabled. I have my varnish enabled, I have my white enabled, and my colors enabled. It's already saved. One thing to keep in note is when you put a canvas on your UV printer, do not turn on the vacuum. If you turn on the vacuum, the canvas is going to be sucked and the canvas is going to be pushed low. So the print is not going to be flat on the canvas. The canvas is basically not going to be flat. So make sure you do not turn on the vacuum whenever you use canvas. So now on print exp, I'm going to go to settings, make sure the bed lining x-axis and y-axis is 0, because that's where I'm going to place my that's where I'm going to place my canvas on the bed. So I have 0, and I'm going to go to task settings for this print job, go to ink settings, and I'm going to add one more layer of color. So I have 2 layers of color and I have 1 layer of white. So even though canvas is white, and when you print on color, it does not come out good. For some reason, the canvas material soaks up the ink, so the picture that you're trying to print out does not come out as expected. So it's recommended that you put a white layer on your canvas. If it's any other hard object or any other hard product and it's already white, you could test it out with no white and just color. So I have tested out other products, and for this product, the canvas, because of the material, I need to lay 1 layer of white. So I'm gonna hit OK, and I'm gonna hit OK again, and I'm gonna start the print job. Before that, I'm gonna make sure my product is lined correctly on the printer and is correct, and I'm gonna hit print and start print. All right, looks like the print is complete. Let's check this out. Again, this is 12 by 16 canvas. Let me know what your thoughts are to this print. It looks like it came out nice. Only thing that I do need to show you is this canvas was sitting outside for a while, so there's like a small dent around this corner right here. So if you lay it flat, you will see that it's uneven. So for those kind of instances, the ink will not lay flat. So if you're printing a canvas, just make sure it is flat. And when you're laying it on the bed of your printer, do not turn on the vacuum. Otherwise, this will be sucked in and it will not print out flat and it'll be out of focus. All right, so this is it. This is the final product. So next up, I'm going to show you videos on how to print and cut on patches, something similar to this. So I'll show you the process to do that. And it's similar to printing the same process over here on the canvas, but there's more steps involved in order to get like the exact printed cut and send it to your laser machine. That's it for today, guys. Thank you all for joining. Thank you all for watching my video, and let me know if you guys have any other thoughts or comments. Comment below if you know a better process or know how to do this much faster using these kind of printers. All right, guys. Thanks. Peace.